So on the next menu that I want to show you that's available is a screen that gives you the option to be able to display an individual player's performance during the game. So here you can see I've already selected Kevin. I could go through and select any other name. John, for example, and it's going to display John. Now John, he's got 0 points at the moment, so obviously we would change that, and now that's reading 0 for John. So this is just a nice way of being able to acknowledge during the game the performance of a player, and of course if it's a young school match, every player obviously would love to see their name up on the scoreboard. So it's a simple way of being able to deliver that type of display content on the screen. And of course at any time now we can just simply switch back to the main scoreboard, showing the scores or whatever that might be happening at any particular time. And I'll just put some random numbers in, and you can see how as game's been progressing, we can add points and they're going to be displaying over on the side here. So Brazil now has 33 points displayed on the screen and New Zealand has 20. Now the final part here is this area here. Now what this allows you to do is simply go to this sheet and achieve a complete screen printout of the game's performance and of the teams, and you can see all of that information here. You can sort on those fields, so you could sort on points starting from the highest points earned down to those who didn't earn anything. So we think that's an excellent way of being able to have a paper printout, and of course every time you save the database you could save the exact scores that are relative to that match. Obviously details can be placed up here of the match and what it was. So that's what I wanted to show you on this short video. There are some other aspects that I want to describe to you about the timing, but I'll keep that to a separate video. So this is designed in recapping for you to use either a full color or a red mono screen for outdoor use or indoors, but the panels can be used outdoors in the rain, and allows you to have a very affordable way of creating your own outdoor LED screen scoreboard for essentially any sport that you may care to think of. And each of these templates are customized to the particular sport, and this one here, as I said earlier, is being set up particularly for soccer, which is determined by obviously the number of players. The screen is on this setup is for a 10mm pitch, which we think is probably pretty typical of what most schools, sports, community events could utilize, including the big professional sports. The digits can be read easily in bright sunlight, so that's not a problem. And of course, if you want a larger screen, then we change some of the settings in here so that now you would have a larger screen. Typically on the width, this is 1.4. Obviously if we reduce that to 2 panels, we have to reduce the amount of information that can be displayed. And of course, if we are able to expand it for you to 2.4 meters, then we can display obviously more information on the screen. But this is really just showing you on a 1.4 meter wide screen by 0.48 meters typically the content that you could have displayed on your outdoor LED screen scoreboard. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you'll find the other ones of use as well, and would love to talk to you about how we can bring the high-tech world of LED screen boards to your sports field, to your school, to your venue. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.